This one is simple, but it's probably the hardest thing for you guys to start doing. Are you ready? No. That's it. The power of a polite no. Hey, can I get a, we really want to go with this, you guys. Is there any way we can get a 50% discount? No. Hey, is there any way you can get the software installed within 3 days? No. Right? You have to understand the power of a polite no. Even though you want to get the business, when you lower your price, when you do things that are out of your scope, for the most part, no good deed goes unpunished. Hey, we're ready to rock and roll on this. Can we get 10% off? Absolutely. Okay, great, thanks. I'll run it by my team and get back to you. Never hear from them again. And when you do, what do they say? Hey, yeah, so we've had some changes here, and I really appreciate you giving me that 10% off, but I'm going to need 50. Because they can't read your mind. Right? They don't know that this is the best deal. And the minute you start changing your price, your offering, is the minute that you project to them what they think. And I know this isn't true, but what's communicated to their subconscious is you were trying to take advantage of them the whole time. You were either trying to charge them more, or slow boat your installation, or not give them the stuff that everybody else gets. I'm not saying don't ever discount. And I'm not saying don't ever change your deal. But unless you have a black belt in Easton University sales, it would behoove you not to do that stuff. And just focus on, because of the fact that you told me you need the software installed as soon as possible so you guys can avoid these fines from OSHA. That's why I scoped it out the way it is, and the price is $1,850 a month. Does it make sense to get you guys on board before OSHA comes in here and starts lopping heads again? Well, yeah, actually it does. I just wanted to make sure I'm getting the best price. You are. Okay, let's move forward, right? You got to understand the power of a polite no. It is okay for you to say no.